Here's how you can fix the unable to connect accounts error on Epic Games. If you're getting this error, the quickest solution is to contact Epic Games support. Open the Epic Games website, sign in to your Epic Games account, and select Support from the top. Inside, click on the Explore option and then select Account from the menu. Here, scroll down to the bottom and then select Contact Us. This will open up a chatbot tab at bottom right corner. Inside, tell it to contact support. If the AI asks questions, simply answer the questions. Clearly explain the error you're receiving and include your Epic Games display name, the platform you're trying to connect, and the username of that console or platform account. Do not include your password or any sensitive information. If prompted, select the option to submit a ticket for your error. Submit the request and wait for Epic Games support to review your case. If the issue is caused by a previously linked account or a linking restriction, the support team can guide you through the next steps or remove the restriction if you're eligible. That's all for this video. Thanks.